Hi everybody, I want to show you what appeared on the TV on tonight. It happened at 8 p.m. on August 25th. Um, Technically, when I'm taping this, though, it is August 26th because it's after midnight. So I hope you can hear it. Here we go. Now, what they are saying is emergency alert system. Now, this came on with the beep, 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 like if there's a tornado or some kind of weather report. A civil if law enforcement warned the following counties: Kenosha, Wisconsin, at 8:01 p.m. on August 25th, 2020, effective until 12:01 a.m. August 26th, 2020. Message from IPAMS CAP on 8:25 at 8 p.m. Kenosha County issued an emergency curfew for residents of. Let's let it go for a minute. Well, it says I-94. Okay, this is one still, but it's really blurry. I apologize. Oh, for your patience and cooperation. Thank you for your patience and cooperation. And this is a still from the other screen. It was two screens. Unfortunately, the lights from the ceiling here and here make it hard to see, but it was really freaky to have this pop up and wonder what was going on. And I know that the reason why it was going on is because there's been, they say, protesting, rioting in Kenosha, Wisconsin. And so now this is Kenosha newspaper, and it came out since the emergency alert. This is because it's out for August 26th. Watch now, night 3 of Kenosha protests. Gunshots ring out. One shot in the head. A curfew is in effect for eastern Kenosha County until 7 a.m. Wednesday. Um, I'm not going to get into this whole story. And then some of this is advertisement over here, but this is about Jacob Blake and him being shot in the back by a police officer. I swear when I heard the shooting, it sounded like there were 8, but they're saying there were 7 shots. This, the mother of Jacob Blake did a great news press release where she was talking about how we need to be calm and we don't need to be violent. Um, so there's stuff in here where it's showing, what has been going on. This is a really good, it gives good coverage of some of what's going on. And people here, being afraid earlier, boarding up their buildings and everything. It is terrible in so many aspects. It's terrible for somebody to get shot in the back. It's terrible to be afraid of police officers. It's terrible that it seems to be targeting people of darker skin more so than anybody else. And I'm including in that not just African Americans, but Native Americans, um, Mexicans, anybody from South America with dark skin, anybody from Central Europe with darker skin. That just seems to be what's been common for maybe for a long time in America. Not forever, and not in every place, but a lot of it has been happening, and it's really awful. Now, this is on Axios. Jacob Blake's mother calls for prayers, end to violent protests in Kenosha, and this is 11 hours ago, so it would have been August 25th. And the person here is Rashan Ayesh. Um, this is recorded from MSNBC. And I'm going to let you hear a few minutes of it, not the very beginning though, but just a little bit of it, because I know you all get bored for very long videos. Now, this is Jacob Blake's mother talking, and we're talking about how her son is very unpleased with all this destruction. And then I want you to hear this part. Okay, that is an amazing thing to say. And isn't she beautiful? Now that is a far cry from whatever's going on here to cause this alarm to go off by the governor of Wisconsin. So I hope the best for all of us. And I'm grateful for you, and I'm here at your service.